In today's dynamic industrial world, simply modernizing IT systems is not enough to gain a significant competitive advantage. True transformation requires a comprehensive approach, thoughtful strategy, process and cultural changes, and continuous evaluation at every stage of operations.
Before the IT transformation in Norma Group, I believe that you had a quite complex situation in your IT environment and ecosystem. What were the main challenges that you were facing before you started the implementation projects?
That's right, Kasia, because Norma Group, as a global industry leader in their field, has grown through acquisition. And that brought us a fragmented IT landscape that was the result of these acquisitions. And the same is true for the internal IT tool landscape, if you want. Like we had different tools for configuration management database, for IT ticketing system, for security monitoring, for all kinds of things. And these systems needed to interface, and that's always troublesome to interface various systems with each other. So we were lacking end-to-end transparency and had to hop between systems, had people taking care of the different systems, and that brought us to a point where we said, no, we need to come up with a totally different approach. This is what brought us to the idea to go away from a best-of-breed approach to a platform approach, to an integrated platform like ServiceNow is. It became a challenge for us to connect the dots between the processes as well. And that's why we said, okay, let's not only renovate the IT tool landscape, but also the IT process landscape. And that's why we chose also Deloitte as a partner to guide us through this process. So this is something that we could not achieve by ourselves. We had to have external expertise to guide us through this process harmonization and process standardization.
ServiceNow is an enterprise cloud platform designed to manage enterprise processes, services, and infrastructure. Its goal is to automate and digitize workflows, making work faster, easier, and more efficient. It enables organizations to deliver services in a more integrated and effective manner.
From your perspective, how did the ServiceNow implementation go?
The twin approach of harmonizing tooling and harmonizing process landscape, I think that was the key to success. And that's why we also went with ServiceNow and with Deloitte as an integration partner, because we needed someone to guide us through this process harmonization. We had to go back to the best practices of IT infrastructure library, ITIL, which is pretty well covered in ServiceNow as a tool, because that's where they come from. They come from IT service management. But we took it a step further. We used ServiceNow from day one also for adjacent processes like demand management and project portfolio management and even finance management. So this was really the I would say, global approach that we were taking. And this is what we had in mind as our success story that it ultimately became.
What convinced you to choose ServiceNow as our go-to platform for the IT transformation in Norma Group?
Absolutely the end-to-end transparency. That was really key for us to have all connected, no interfaces in between, same base data layer for everything that you could build upon and have transparency into whatever aspect we are looking at.
Once the project was completed, what was the results of it? What was the benefit you could observe in daily operations?
But first of all, we did have improvements in the typical IT service mentor KPIs, like customer satisfaction score, it's like first-time resolution rate, adherence to SLAs. That went up because of things becoming more transparent. Also, the KPIs were more visible because of the superb reporting capabilities in the platform. But again, transparency was a key thing that improved so much.